Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm now in Bali. I just landed and I'm at this hotel called the Aryaduta Bali Hotel in Kuta. Actually, I haven't been back to Kuta for quite some time, but this hotel is just 10 minutes from the airport. So it's very convenient to us because I'll be going to Ubud, but I do not want to take the long drive to Ubud after I land. So I would like to stop here for one night in the Kuta area, just 10 minutes from the airport. And I booked the airport pickup, the hotel car is there waiting for me, everything is perfect. So I just make a very easy and comfortable stay here and take a look at what Kuta is like today. So anyway, this is a very interesting, very good value for money hotel, which I actually quite like. So I will give you a quick room tour. So I just booked a deluxe room. So you can see this is the standard room size. So my room is here, so it's standard room size. It's very good size, if you can see, in my room tour. So let me walk in. To my right is the huge bathroom, and they have the bathtub. Okay, which is very nice. And then the rain shower. And then the buffet with the amenities. And the hair dryer is here. Okay, so I can actually open the door and go out from here, but I'm going to close it for now. Okay, so you can see, it's very clean and very comfortable. As I say, it's very good value for money. Okay, now this is the wardrobe. That's the safe deposit box, and they do have the slipper available, and then they even have the bathrobes available with good number of hangers, iron and iron board. So technically, the five-star hotel, what they have, they are here. In fact, this is a five-star hotel. Okay, so walking right in is the king size bed. You can see, the thickness of the mattress, and everything. Of course, the welcome note from the general manager and a lovely towel art and craft. And then from the hotel. Okay. And here, you see the welcome message, the mini bar. You need to pay, but that's okay. And then let's take a look. Yeah, it's a fully stocked mini bar. If you want to, you do not need to go out. And then of course the hotel very nice with the welcome fruit, and snacks and coconut juice. Actually, I get this one as the welcome drink when I check in. And you can see the decor is very Balinese style with the painting, and very clean and neat, if you know what I mean. Like the light wood fixture, the color, the carpet and everything is very spotless, if you know what I mean. So, which is very, very nice experience. And they have the balcony, so let me walk out and show you. Okay, so this is the view of my room. And actually I'm going to walk down there, but you see that one is where you see from the website and a lot of photos. So that is the signature shot. Okay, so as said, I'm here for one night. They have a free shuttle to the Kuta beach. So I'm going to take the free shuttle to the Kuta beach and see what Kuta is like today. But they also have a very famous swimming pool on the second floor, which I'm going to check out as well. And this hotel is connected to the shopping mall. And if I need anything, I can easily walk over to. And what else? I'll be here for one night, and we'll be taking breakfast tomorrow morning. So we'll show you everything. You know, I am thinking of having dinner here as well. So if you just continue to watch this video, you will have my, whole experience, all first take authentic experience at this lovely hotel in Kuta. There you go. Okay, I'm now on the second floor, and this is the pool that is very popular and people come up to take photos. Okay, so this is the gym of the hotel. Very quickly, this is the gym of the hotel.